quick quote is now available in MiHub. Select the quote and order option from the main menu, followed by the quick quote from the sub-menu in the left-hand side. The quick quote is able to be produced without the need to select or input partner, customer or site details. However, should you wish to create a quote for a particular partner, customer or end-user customer, use the drop-down arrows in the relevant field to select from existing available options, or for end-user customers to create a new customer name. In the absence of selecting a partner or customer from the existing available lists, the quick quote will utilise your end-user customer price profile for the quotation. However, should you wish to change this to an alternative price profile, use the drop-down arrow and select from those available. The quick quote will generate products and services within the quote into one site unless further sites are added. Create additional sites using the plus icon in the tab alongside Site 1 and repeat this as necessary to create the appropriate number of sites. Once sites are created, it is possible to add products and services into the quotation. Select from the available product categories and subcategories using the drop-down arrow alongside the Select Items field. As categories are highlighted, subcategories will be displayed and these can be selected. When a category or subcategory is selected, the available individual product and service items are listed and can be then added into the quotation. There are two ways of doing this. Firstly, select the required site and then use the Add to Quote button. This will add the product or service into the site that has been selected. Alternatively, click on the required product or service and drag across to the sites on the right hand side of the screen. Release the product or service onto the site to which it should be added and which is displayed using the orange outline. Continue to select from product categories and subcategories and individual product items in order to complete the addition of products and services into the quote. At any point, clicking on the All tab will display all products and services that have been included into the quote. Once you've completed adding the products and services, it is possible to save the quote for future use. This will create an entry into your View Quotes list and will show the quote with status Quick Quote. The quote can be removed or edited using the relevant icon. When you re-access the quick quote, it is possible to continue to add products or services into the quotation. Alternatively, you can also delete products and services that have previously been added or change the quantity of items shown in the quote. When in the quick quote, it is possible to export the quote to Excel, to export the quote to PDF, or to email the quotation. By clicking the Email Quote button, you will be required to add the email address or addresses as necessary and to add a message to be sent along with the quote. Click the Send Email button and this will forward the email with a PDF attachment summarising the quotation. Again, the quote can be saved at any point and accessed in the future for further amendment. However, should it be necessary to progress to an order, click on the Convert to Order button at the bottom right of the Quick Quote screen. If you have not previously input a customer name, on progressing to order, it will now be necessary to do this. The customer name can be selected from the list of existing end-user customers, or a new customer name can be typed directly into the field. Once customer has been selected or input, the Convert to Order button can be reselected. On converting to order, the full quote screens will be displayed as required in order that missing information needed to progress the order can be added or edited. Typically, this will take the form of customer and site address details, or alternatively additional information needed in order to complete the order of a particular product or service that has been added into the quote. By adding the necessary information into each screen and selecting the next button, it will be possible to progress through the full quote screens in order to input required details. On arrival at the final review screen, it will then be possible again to export the quote to PDF or to Excel, to review a summary of the quote, and ultimately to submit an order.